how you can record a video from the beginning. Really would make sense. There you open very well the video. Very important features here. I will show you here. This is the place to start and stop. Here is for editing. Here is for exporting. It actually gives you a way to navigate through the 31 slides. And then you've got some actions here, which you can actually blow that background so that things behind cannot be seen. Putting this view right there at the top is very important because then I can see and look up at the top there at the camera. If I put the view, which is a presenter view, then that is going to arrange it away, and so I wouldn't see any knots. You arrange another view again and think that it should a side view, and then look at the slide view. It actually takes away everything, and you can't see any knots. So best outcome would be to do it that way, and that doesn't decrease the quality of the video at all. And then you can look at the knots up here, okay? And so it says add notes to, and so I'm going to say we didn't add any notes here, but if I had put any notes on this slide, it would appear here. And I can go on now by clicking, and then I start my presentation. At the end of the module, participants are expected to at the end of the module, participants are expected to be able to, okay, sorry, I have not started. So starting now on this slide, I will click on this button. Then it counts for me, 3, 1, good. At the end of the module, participants are expected to be able to, 1, confidently define common terminologies applicable to hepatitis B virus infection, explain the outcome of hepatitis B infection, differentiate between acute and chronic infection, and then interpret serological markers of hepatitis B infection. Okay? Then you go on at that point, and then you look at so many things more and add to it. When you're finished with your slides, you could edit or you just stop this. Okay? You stop now, and then it takes away that video. And then I will either you want to turn off the microphone, or you want to keep it on, that's fine. And you can export either directly here or within the saved, when you can exit within the PowerPoint itself. So export here, all right? And it tells you it's high quality, and you want to browse module 1. I just want to show it somewhere. Yeah, module 1, let's call it module 1, and it's going to, I will define a destination for it. And let's use that to be somewhere we can easily find. Let's put a desktop somewhere. Okay, just module 1, MP4 would be fine. And it goes, taking a bit of time because it's a bit of heavy load there, but it's quite straightforward and easy, and is running according to schedule. Well, again, this is high resolution, full HD video. If you want something smaller, you can compromise size for quality, then you could actually export using a smaller pixel. And it's telling me that is, do I want to continue? Yes, because I know what I did. And there it brings it up. Listen to it. Good. At the end of the module, participants are expected to be able to, 1, confidently define common terminologies applicable to hepatitis B virus infection, explain the outcome of hepatitis B infection, differentiate between acute and chronic infection, and then interpret serological markers of hepatitis B infection. Okay?